Usage instructions of Hongyan fuel dispensers. Structure. The China Hongyan tax controlling series fuel dispenser is made up of oil viewing, English keyboard, display, automatic nozzle, environment protected hose, electronic counter, dual flowing valve, pulse sensor, inlet micro switch, flow meter, explosion box, combination pump, oil inlet, 3-phase proof explosion motor, and so on. Installation. 1. Points for attention. 1.1. The horizontal distance between the machine and the underground tank is usually 25 meters. The maximum distance should be no more than 50 meters. The vertical distance between the lowest oil level of the tank and the oil inlet of the filler should not go beyond 4 meters. 1.2. The machine is to be fixed outdoor somewhere with rain shed. The distance between the machine, the architecture, railway and roads conforms to the related regulations of GBJ 16-87. 5 protection regulations for architecture design. 1.3. The oil tank and oil pipe should be thoroughly cleaned before installation. The practice of 2 oil filling machines sharing 1 oil pipe or to branch out from the supply pipe for other usage should be avoided. 2. Base. The machine should be placed on a special cement base and fixed with anchor bolts. Square holes inside the base are for oil pipes and the earth wire to go through. This should be filled with sand after installation. 3. Pipeline. 3.1. Fix the bottom valve at the end of the oil pipe. The distance between the bottom line of the bottom valve and the oil tank bottom is about 100 mm. Before installing the foot valve, please remove the protective cover. 3.2. After the oil pipe and the oil inlet pipe for the oil filling machine are centrally corresponded, apply some sealing gum or put some raw material belt on the screw thread for the oil pipe. Fix the loose joint or flange tight to the oil pipe. Put the oil-proof rubber blanket between the loose joints or flanges. Finally, fix the upper and lower loose joints or tighten the flange with the bolt. Test the pressure of the station's oil pipe after installation. It cannot be put into use unless no leakage is found in the pipe or between the joints under pressure of 0.1 MPa. 4. Electric wiring. 4.1. Users of the Hongyan series fuel dispensers only need to fix a single-phase AC 220 volt or 3-phase AC 380 volt power cable to the installation base, leaving 1.5 meters of cable on the ground. 4.2. CMD 1687SK tax controlling fuel dispenser to connect the powered EX box, EX power controlling box. Its 3 wires connect to 1, 2, 3 each. Every wire must be connected to the metal gasket after circling, then fasten the screws. The power which connects to EX power controlling box must be correct. It must make the motor go in a clockwise direction and get the same direction oil pump belt as marked. If not, please regulate any 2 of 3 wires. 4.3. Attentions. 4.3.1. Use plastic sheath insulated wire with high oil resistivity. Use a 2x1 cable to connect the power. Attention must be paid to the cable radius, which should match the sealing gasket hole of the wire inlet in the anti-explosion box. Tighten the screw after the power is connected to the wiring box. Make sure to fix the power line tightly to ensure the performance of the anti-explosion wiring box. 4.3.2. The fueler should be connected to the ground reliably. The earth wire should be buried into the ground at 1 meter's depth. Fill the hole with salt water to make sure it is reliable. The ground resistance should not be over 4 ohms. 4.3.3. Do not use one switch in a multi-unit power. 5. Transport and storage. 5.1. Collision during transport should be avoided. The machine body should lean no more than 30 degrees when being hoisted. Store in a covered area to protect it against the rain and sun. Storage places should be free from corrosive gas. 5.2. Recheck it before putting it into use, especially the electrical systems. Operations. 0. Decimal point setting for unit price. 0.1. Turn the oil set key to the set position. 0.2. Put menu till the screen displays 0800. 0.3. Input password 1688, then press enter. 0.4. Press 0, 2 or 3 to select the decimal position you need. If you entered 0, the screen will display 08-0, meaning there are no decimal points. If you entered 2, the screen will display 08-2, meaning there are 2 decimal points. If you entered 3, the screen will display 08-3, meaning there are 3 decimal points. 1. Setting the PPU. 1.1. Turn the state key to the blue position. Press the PPU button. The fourth area of the display window shows function 00-P. Press the clear button to remove the original PPU. 1.2. Input the new PPU by pressing the buttons on the keypad. The third area shows the new input PPU. The PPU can have 4 digits at most. For any mistake during the process, press the clear button to remove and input the new PPU. 1.3. Turn the state key to the red position or press the enter button, then turn back the red position. 2. Presetting the amount of money for oil. 2.1. Press the VP button until the fourth area of the display window shows money 0. 2.2. Press digit buttons of the keypad to input amount of money for fuel oil to be dispensed. The first area displays amount, while the second area shows P. 2.3. Press the start button or lift the nozzle to start filling. The filling will stop automatically when the dispensed value reaches the preset amount. 2.4. If the preset PPU is 0, the preset functioning will not work. 3. Preset certain litre for oil. 3.1. Press the VP button until the fourth area of the display window shows volume 0. 3.2. Press the digit buttons of the keypad to input the amount of litres for fuel oil to be dispensed. The second area displays the amount of litres, while the first area shows L. 3.3. Press the start button or lift the nozzle to start refilling. The refilling will stop automatically when the dispensed volume reaches the preset volume. 4. Non-presetting filling. Either press the start button or lift the nozzle to start filling. Either press the stop button or take the nozzle off the car to stop refueling. The display window will show dispensed volume. 5. To display and delete the shift accumulative figures. 5.1. Turn the state key to the blue position. 5.2. Press the total button. Display shows function 02-C. The second area and the third area show the shift accumulative litres or money together. Press clear or enter to delete the figures. 5.3. Turn the key to the red position. 6. To check the previous 10 times fueling record. 6.1. Press the menu button repeatedly until the fourth area shows function 10-0. The displayed figure represents the first refueling.